Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, dear students. So, welcome to the topic 2.3 inverse of a function in chapter number 2. So, today we are going to discuss how to find inverse of a function. Okay. See here, I am taking one set as A and another set is B. Now, from the sets A to B, I am defining a function f. Okay, from A to B, I am defining a function f. Now, the domain of A, here x, and the codomain of B, that is y. If x is mapped to y through the function f, then the image of x is fx. Image of x is fx. So, this image always will be in codomain. So, we have fx always equal to y. That is function. If we go into the reverse order from B to A, from B to A, the function is f inverse. We are going in opposite order from B to A, that is f inverse. See, the element is y. Now the image of y using f inverse is fy. Image of x using f is fx. In the same way, image of y using f inverse is f inverse y. Is f inverse y. So f inverse y is equal to x. F inverse y is equal to x. So this is the formula, or this is the rule for finding inverse of a function. Inverse of a function. So what is the rule? If f of x equal to y, if f of x is equal to y, then x is equal to shift this y to here, it become f inverse y, f inverse y. Okay, so using this rule, we are finding the inverse of a function. Inverse of a function. Okay, so using this rule, we are finding inverse of a function. I will show you one example. Find the inverse of the function fx is equal to 3x minus 4. Find the inverse of a function fx is equal to 3x minus 4. Now see solution. So this is the given function fx is equal to 3x minus 4. So first we have to set up the equation. How to set up the equation? Always we know that f of x is equal to y, then x is equal to f inverse y. F is equal to f inverse y. So first we have to set up this one. F of x is equal to y. See, let y is equal to fx. Okay. So y is equal to fx is how much? Fx is 3x minus 4. 3x minus 4. Now from this equation, first we have to solve for x. How much is x? So to solve x, just keep x here, move this negative 4 this side, it become positive 4. So y plus 4 is equal to 3x. Now we are finding the value of x. So I want only x. I don't want this number 3. So what I will do? Divide with 3. So here divide with 3 and here divide with 3. What I will get here? X is equal to y plus 4 by 3. X is equal to y plus 4 by 3. Now see this equation here. What is x? X is equal to f inverse y. So in place of x, use f inverse y. In place of x, use f inverse y. F inverse y is equal to y plus 4 by 3. In place of x, writing f inverse y. Okay, so f inverse y is equal to y plus 4 by 3. Now finally we have to replace x is equal to y. In place of y, change x. In place of y, change x. So this is our f inverse of x. This is our f inverse of x. It's very easy and simple. Very easy question and simple. Okay. Now is it clear? Let us see one more example. Find the inverse of the function fx is equal to 5x minus 1. So what is the formula we have? We have here, first we have to set up f of x is equal to y. From this, from this x is equal to f inverse y. X is equal to f inverse y. F is equal to f inverse. See, the first we have to set up. Okay. So first we have to set up fx is equal to y. From this, x is equal to f inverse y. If we shift f from here to here, we will get f inverse. Okay. So first we have to set up this one. So f of x is equal to y. What is f of x? F of x is this one. 5x minus 1 is equal to y. In place of f of x, use 5x minus 1. 5x minus 1 is equal to y. Now from this equation, I have to solve for x. So I want x. So I don't want this number. So move this number here. So 5x is equal to y minus 1 move here. It is plus 1. Now I want x. So divide with 5. Here divide with 5. And here also divide with 5. So here this 5 will get cancelled. X is equal to y plus 1 by 5. Y plus 1 by 5. Now, so this part is over. First we have set up f of x is equal to y. Then we are finding the value of x. Next we have to set up this one. X. X is equal to f inverse y. So in place of x, write f inverse of y. So f inverse of y is equal to y plus 1 by 5. Y plus 1 by 5. Now in the last step, replace y by x. Replace y by x. So in place of y, write x. F inverse of x is equal to y plus 1. In place of y, we used to write x, right? In place of y, we used to write x. So here we have to use x. Here you have to use x. Okay. F inverse of x is equal to x plus 1 divided by 5. So wherever y place, just to replace x. So in place of y here x, in place of y here also x. So f inverse x is equal to x plus 1 by 5. So like this we have to find f inverse for the function f of x is equal to 5x minus 1. Okay students, I hope you understand this concept. Okay, thank you.